Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lovable Tiffany here with another video for you guys. Today I received the package from this company, and the company is, hopefully I can see that, Julia Hair. And so this hair was sent to me. I did not pay for this. It is the 14-inch and it's a bob. Let me see, I think the box is so cute. Pink is my favorite color, so I was really liking this. I don't want to mess the box up, but let's go ahead and get ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And off bat, this is what comes in the box. Some lashes. And they look dramatic. You know, they don't look too natural, but thank you still, Julie. That's still nice. Some more wig caps. And a little headband. This is super cute. I think this is so cute. I don't know. The color is very cute. I'm not sure what I would mix that with, but still, it was nice. And this is the hair. So it has the blonde streaks in it. And let me just put this box down for you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. I'm not going to really prolong the video because sometimes I be rambling, y'all. But yes, I'm going to take it out of the package. And I'm going to get the, I think it's a 4x4 closure. And it has the little skin like thing right here. I don't really be liking those. I don't know, somehow I just feel like it looks like the natural parting, but I don't know, it's like when you get to this part here, the indentation of where it stops at is what bothers me. But and from right off bat, I see like little pieces that are kind of cut from right here. See at the top, it's like, I don't know if y'all can tell. I'm not sure why those are so short, like right at the top of the, that may bother me too. And as far as the highlight goes, I don't like that. And I'm just going to be honest. I'm being honest because it was sent to me for a review. I don't like the short pieces. Like right here where the color is at is where I see a lot of the short pieces. And the fact that the color is not blended, it's like straight across, I can't get with that. I don't like it. So I feel like I would probably end up coloring over this hair. Like as far as down here, the lining of it, this looks cute. It's just this part. Like, who wants to walk around with that top part looking blunt? You see that? No. So I would say they're gonna have to do a little bit better with that. Whoever colored this did not do a good job. You supposed to, it needs to be stroked to make it look even, not it going all the way across like that with the short hairs. I don't like that. So I'm already gonna tell you from jump, I don't like it. And see right here, look at that. Now as far as the way it feels extremely soft. It feels extremely soft, but it's just, this color is really bothering me. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna just set it on my head just to see. I'm gonna move this back just a little bit. And I would probably cut it, because let me see, because sometimes I like to move them to the side for like a side part. Even though they're a middle, I like to move sometimes. And let's see. I think like if you was to curl it, maybe like put some curls in it, like flexi ride it or something like that, then you wouldn't be able to tell that one side is longer, and you could still wear it like a side part. But yeah, like I said, I like It's just this right, because I just feel like, why is this so black right here looking? Even though the hair is brown, but I'm saying, why is it so black looking? And then you just have, I feel like I would be laughed at if I was out in public and people, oh my God, that is a big no. Look at that. That's a big no. So yeah, I'm gonna still style and everything. I'm so disappointed, y'all. Okay, but let's go ahead and get into this video. Keep watching. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. No, I didn't put on any makeup. I was just trying to lay it just to see, you know, how it looked. I haven't curled it or anything. I did use my, what you call it, my hot comb, just to lay the middle part, and I was also trying to use it to like straighten out the curls a little bit. But yeah, y'all already know from what I told y'all in the beginning that I didn't like it. Just because of the way they colored it, it's patchy. That's the word I was looking for earlier when I was trying to tell y'all how, when I was trying to describe to y'all how it was, and it's patchy. I mean, but I do appreciate Julia Hair sending me out the wig to review for them. I just feel like they would need somebody who knows how to color the wigs, because this is You're gonna get laughed at going out like this, because they're gonna think you did it yourself, and you didn't. You bought it. You got it like this. And so yeah, I'm a little disappointed in the wig, but again, the hair is from Julia Hair. I'm gonna leave all of the details, the links and everything in the description box below. I do like the length, and I do like the color. I don't like how they colored it. The color's cute, but how they colored it, no. It's like a big black patch right here with, like, y'all already know. I already told y'all in the beginning. So yeah, I may come back with my makeup done, but then again, I may not, because I may take it off. But the hair is really soft though, and so yeah, it's really soft. And so that's it, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna always keep it 100 with y'all. If I like the wigs or if I don't like the wigs, whether they're sent to me or whether I purchase them myself, it's always going to be an honest review. And so yes, I would work with Julia again. I would, if they needed me to do another review, but it would have to be something that's colored right. Okay, thanks, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I decided to come back and show y'all how it looks crimped. I crimped it, and this is how it looks. Oh yeah, I think I got something in my eye. Sorry, y'all, but this is the, you know, with everything, with my makeup and everything done, this is how it's looking, and I think it looks better this way. And if you hear talking, that's my husband in the background. He's on the game, y'all. So I apologize. But yes, you can't, I mean, well, this one you still can't tell that it's just straight right here. But like this side, I don't think you can really tell how bad the coloring was. So the crimping makes it look a little bit better. And then I also feel like if you spiral curl it, like with your curling iron, that you won't be able to tell either. So yeah, it looks better this way. And so yeah, now the only, to get my curls to stay, I had to spray some to get my crimps to stay, y'all. I'm sorry, I keep saying curls. To get my crimps to stay, I had to put some spray some Got2b on it after crimping. Every time after you crimp it, just, and it'll make it a little bit hard, not too hard, but it'll make it a little hard. And so yeah, the wig looks 10 times better with the crimps in it. And of course, if like you do some curling, like I said, I think it'll look 10 times better, besides this like one patch right here. But other than that, like I told you in the beginning, it is softer. It is soft, and so that wasn't an issue. It was soft, and the length is true to length. And I really like it. I probably would cut, because see, this is hanging a little bit lower. I would probably cut it up just a teeny bit, just because of my preference only. But yep, so tell me, guys, what y'all think. I think it looks better. But yeah, so that's it, guys. But as always, I thank you guys for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Bye.